Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video let's see what are the messages for you for the coming month of January. Okay, and as these are general readings, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for Aries for January. So we have the Three of Wands, the Four of Swords, Emperor, the Queen of Cups, the Six of Pentacles, High Priestess, Eight of Wands, the Two of Cups, and the Justice. Okay. So Aries, what I feel here is that you are waiting in the coming month, or maybe you already started. It's like you are wanting to explore something different or something new. Okay, turning your back to the present situation and ready to move towards something new or something different, but you are just waiting for the right opportunity, maybe the right place, the right time, something of that sort. Okay, so it is just that you are waiting for the next step as to what is the right timing or the right opportunity, but definitely you seem to be turning your back to the present situation wherever you are, ready to go towards a next project, perhaps a next place, perhaps whatever it is. But definitely you have already, what I feel is this energy is already perhaps started since the end of December. And one more thing is, you seem to have surrendered in a situation, in the sense that you have left it to time. Okay, maybe you've been waiting since a long time, and to some extent what I feel is this wait is getting a little prolonged. Okay, it's a long wait, perhaps it's a pause. You are ready to explore or to move, but the thing is you are not perhaps getting the right opportunity, maybe, or things are perhaps, or the situation perhaps is not right, something of that sort. For some reason you have taken a break, and you are really wishing and praying on God to give you that opportunity or that right time or the right, whatever right you are wishing for. So this wait seems to be a little bit extended, that's what I feel. Okay, this pause seems so to be extended. That means you've been waiting for such an opportunity since a long time now, something of that sort, or you will be doing that. So that is an energy of the pause over here. Okay, that you are ready but you're not getting the right opportunity, it's something of that sort. Okay, then we have the Emperor, the Queen of Cups, the Six of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. So all of this seems to be a sort of a stagnant energy to me, that yes, you are in power, you are in control, you are trying to take a decision. With the Emperor being there, you are in a position this is a position of control, this is a position of being an authority in power, but still there is something behind. Perhaps maybe some sort of a decision is pending then, which you need to decide, or perhaps here you are getting that opportunity to take that decision, perhaps it can be that also. But what I feel here is, with the Emperor and the Queen of Cups here, maybe you are back in control to some extent, or maybe that though you are, everything is fine in this place, but still you know that you need to go, you know that you want to move to some different area in your life, something of that sort. Okay, because what I feel here is that maybe you are not happy with the Queen of Cups being next. You are trying to weigh the pros and cons of the situation, perhaps something maybe is disturbing at the emotional aspect, can be that. So even if you are in a controlling position, maybe things are very good, maybe you are a leader, maybe you are in a position to take a decision, but there is something here as far as maybe the emotional aspect is concerned, can be that you really don't know where to invest, what to do, something of that sort. And that is what you are trying to balance with the Six of Pentacles. Maybe you are not happy in the current situation and you want to move, okay, even though everything seems to be good on the exterior, maybe at the emotional aspect something here is lacking and you really want to move, but this move is getting a little longer, the pause is getting a little longer because perhaps you are not getting the right time or the opportunity to make that move. Okay, so you are trying to balance over here the situation perhaps in which you are in and in which you want to move perhaps. Okay, and with the emperor being here, somehow what I feel is that this is the position in which you are in right now, but something is there which is emotionally you are lacking, and that is what you are trying to balance, perhaps the mind and heart, and that you are doing with a lot of your intuitive skills. It's like it's deep within which is going on. So this row seems to be there is something here, this is some sort of a still energy and something going on within you. Okay, the contemplation and the reviewing, what to do, what not to do, something of that sort is going on over here. That's what I feel. You are waiting to, you want to do something new which is more emotionally fulfilling. Okay, but somehow you are not able to do that right now. Okay, but in the future we have the Eight of Wands, the Two of Cups and the Justice. So here what I feel is I do see a movement over here. There is a news or a communication arriving in which brings in a beautiful partnership, a beautiful friendship perhaps. Okay, this is alignment, this is partnership. It is something, a new partnership or a new friendship, something here which is really beautiful is building up here after this communication. After this communication starts, and that is what brings things to balance and the justice is restored over here. So this can be any news. It can be news regarding your career, it can be news regarding what you've been waiting for. So something here, the communication starts here. That's what I feel. It can be the communication regarding the news which you are waiting, or the pause is perhaps over here, and there is movement forward which brings together two people. Okay, it can be friendship, business partnership, anything, but it is a beautiful connection here, and thus by the end of the month perhaps maybe things are getting settled and the balance is being restored. So let's see what is the message from this deck. Three of Cups has, or Three of Hearts has already popped up. So this is celebration, this is happiness, this is teamwork, this is reunion, this is collaboration. So Aries, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.